Hi! In front of me is TCL 205 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. Firstly, just go into settings and scroll down. Now tap on security section and tap on screen lock. After that, click on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Now you need to enter it and choose next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it and tap on confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Over here, answer this question. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications by choosing one of those answers? I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and save my choice by choosing done at the top right corner. Now when I click home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!